Hey everyone, and welcome to episode 18. This one's going to be a short one. The only reason I really recorded it is because it's starting a new sub-assembly. In this case, the Flaperons, and specifically here I am starting the right side outboard Flaperon. And nothing terribly exciting here. You can see that it was already close to 11 o'clock at night when I got started, so not a whole lot's going to get done. I basically did a test assembly of all the parts. I've never built flaperons before, so this was all new to me, unlike some of the other parts. They are very simple, so I was happy to see that. They'll probably go together quite quickly. But so I did a test fit, took it all apart and deburred it, and hopefully tomorrow I'll get it in primer and paint and start the assembly. But they all appear to be very similar and they should go quite quick.